Stop scrolling. Your next financial opportunity awaits just a tap away. Imagine turning idle time into profit with side hustles that require no prior experience or investment. Consider tasks like online surveys or freelance gigs, where you can utilize your unique skills to generate extra cash right from your smartphone. No complicated setup or steep learning curve stands in your way. Simply log on and start. As you explore your options, you'll uncover the beauty of flexibility. With choices that fit your busy lifestyle, you can work from anywhere, anytime, be it during your lunch break or while lounging on the couch. Finally, don't miss the last method revealed. It's an easy and powerful tool designed to maximize your earnings without overwhelming effort. Start today and witness your finances transform. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? If so, it's time to explore opportunities that can bring extra cash into your life without requiring extensive experience. The digital landscape, especially in 2025, has opened doors for everyone, allowing individuals to earn money from the comfort of their homes. Let's dive into some promising side hustles that can transform your financial situation starting today. Among the most exciting ways to earn extra income is through content creation, especially leveraging AI tools. This innovative method has gained immense popularity and allows you to create engaging content without needing to show your face or invest in pricey equipment. All that's required is a basic setup, a phone or laptop, and a desire to express your creativity. With user-friendly applications like ChatGPT, you can effortlessly generate scripts. Imagine crafting compelling narratives or educational content simply by typing out prompts. This makes it accessible and hassle-free, enabling you to produce high-quality video content. Once you have your scripts, the next step is to bring those ideas to life via video editing. Free platforms such as CapCut empower you to produce captivating videos with minimal effort. You can add text overlays, engaging transitions, and even music, all to enhance viewer engagement. After you've polished your videos, share them across popular social media platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Facebook Reels. These venues provide an excellent opportunity to reach broad audiences, engage viewers, and connect with your niche market. As you consistently create content, your online presence will grow, leading to more views, followers, and ultimately income potential. Additionally, diversifying your content and exploring various themes can further expand your reach. From educational topics to lifestyle vlogs or tutorials, the options are endless. The more you experiment, the better your understanding of what resonates with your audience. This adaptability not only keeps your content fresh, but increases your chances of standing out among countless creators. Embrace the learning process, refine your craft, and watch your side hustle grow amidst the flourishing content creation landscape that awaits you. In the rapidly evolving digital landscape, opportunities to earn money are more abundant than ever. The first major avenue for income is through online advertising, viewing metrics, and affiliate links. By mastering the system, you can create an income stream that not only sustains you, but also scales quickly. Imagine generating revenue from every click, view, and purchase made through your shared links. The beauty of this method lies in its potential for exponential growth. What starts as a small trickle can turn into a steady stream of income with the right strategies. Next in line is freelancing, a trend that continues to gain momentum into 2025. Whether it's writing engaging articles, editing captivating videos, designing eye-catching thumbnails, or managing social media accounts, there's a wealth of opportunities awaiting those ready to take the plunge. Today, even without any existing skills, you can harness platforms like YouTube to acquire new competencies for free. Freelancing websites such as Fiverr and Upwork empower aspiring entrepreneurs to break into the market. All it takes is a small investment of your time to build a strong profile and showcase your skills, allowing you to connect with clients and cultivate your brand. Another lucrative income source on the rise is the print-on-demand model. This innovative approach allows individuals to create and sell their designs on various products without the hefty startup costs of traditional inventory management. Picture your artwork featured on t-shirts, mugs, or posters, generated only when customers place orders, minimizing risk and maximizing potential profit. This passive income model offers flexibility, enabling you to focus on marketing your creations or explore additional ventures. As creativity meets entrepreneurship, the barriers to entry in e-commerce continue to diminish, paving the way for profitable endeavors. In conclusion, the worlds of digital advertising, freelancing, and print-on-demand offer exciting possibilities for anyone looking to earn money in 2025. These income streams promote a flexible lifestyle, and with dedication and creativity, they can be scaled to extraordinary heights. So why wait? Dive into these opportunities and transform your free time into a rewarding pursuit. The potential is limitless, and the journey to financial independence begins with a single step.